But you don't want to do everything and then spoil the charm of artwork is also there. It's like you have to enhance that bit, not much too much. And God inspired is it's super detailed. Anytime you see, you'll find something new. And this gallery's idea is not to do big artworks. I want to promote small artworks because I want to make art, collectible art, affordable.
நிறைய எக்ஸிபிஷன்ஸ் போயிருக்கோம், நிறைய பெயிண்டிங் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஐ மீன் லைஃப் இஸ் அரவுண்ட் தட் ஒன்லி. திஸ் இஸ் சம்திங் வெரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் தட் ஐவ் சீன், எஸ்பெஷலி மோனோகலர் ஒர்க். மோனோகலர் ஒர்க்கில் ஜஸ்ட் பிளாக் அண்ட் ஒயிட்டில் பென்சில், சார்கோல், இங்க் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒர்க் பண்ணதில் இவ்வளோ டீட்டெயில்டாக நான் ஐ நாட் கம் அக்ராஸ் எனிதிங் லைக் தட். But we've seen a lot of some international artists doing realistic work on monotones. But abstract la ivlo monotone varadu, it's something I'm like blown by it. Anyway, congrats to Sid. Sid has been a so-called childhood friend for me. I mean, go back at least many decades. So congratulations, Sid, on this. I'm really happy for you. For things you've done, achieved and all. And Manju, many more works to come.
Thank you, sir.
Great work.
Thank you so much.
I'd like to see more of your work.
Yes.
Another genre maybe after this.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm Siddharth Chandrasekhar. I run Venba Art Gallery. So we are having the show by Manjunath Wali. So our artist work வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா abstract with a lot of detail. So our different mediums வேறு ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்காரு. One is the color medium, அதுக்கப்புறம் charcoal, pencil, and then he has used both monotone, monochromatic like how Rajivan said. Then he has also done stuff on acrylic with colors, and then he has mixed acrylic with pencil. So Narya he's experimented with different materials to get abstract with a lot of dimensions. So ஒரு painting with a lot of dimensions he has brought in. Of course, Venba we had been always wanting to work on small format, affordable art. So all the artworks here, 25,000 60,000 rupees to 75,000 maximum, are all affordable art. In art scale, this is a very very low cost for a good product in art area. Illanaka paintings, minimum painting starts somewhere around a lakh and a half. Small painting starts from 50,000-60,000 rupees. Whereas here we are having something lower than that. We've also tried to get immersive art, augmented reality into the paintings. Since he accepted that we can try that experiment. In Chennai, I think we have first time tried out augmented reality, where you can actually get into the painting through animating the painting. It's a small way to get immersive art and where we marry art and tech. So I try பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
So hi, Manjunath Wali here. So basically I'm from Bangalore. So this is the first time I'm introducing my artwork to Chennai. The Venba Art Gallery is they're organizing my solo exhibition, Folk Fluorescence. These are like 28 works, set of work like folk fluorescence works are here. So those are very beautiful, and it's representing all that village architecture and monuments and historical monuments also. I just tried something like a different way, just like contemporary work, contemporary art landscape. So I have tried many different kind of experiment like pencil work, acrylic, and future I'm planning to do some sculptures also. So I'm so glad my display is here. So they have done it very well job, and thanks to Venba Art Gallery.